In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable LEDES billing in Clio. If your clients require LEDES files, you'll want your Clio account set up to support UTBMS codes and the identifiers LEDES expects. UTBMS stands for Uniform Task-Based Management System, and it's the coding framework LEDES files rely on to standardize tasks, expenses, and activities across matters. We'll walk through enabling those codes and entering your firm and timekeeper details so your exports meet client requirements. Start by heading to Clio.com and sign into your account. From your dashboard, open Settings. You'll typically find the gear icon in the main navigation. Inside Settings, choose Billing. This is where Clio keeps all invoice and coding preferences. Next, open the UTBMS codes section. Turn on the option to use UTBMS codes. This tells Clio to display the task and expense code fields when you're entering time and costs, which is essential for LEDES compliance. Just below, enable the code sets you need. For most LEDES requirements, that includes ABA litigation and ABA bankruptcy. Select the sets that match your client's billing guidelines so your team can pick the correct codes when logging work. Once those are enabled, you're done on this page. Now return to Settings and select Account and Payment Info. Scroll down until you see the fields for LEDES Law Firm ID, Tax ID, or GST number. Enter the identifiers your clients request for LEDES files. These are used by payers to match your submissions to their vendor records and for tax or regional compliance. Double-check formatting instructions from your client or accounting team so what you enter aligns with their specifications. When you're confident everything looks right, click Save New Information to lock in those details. Head back to Settings once more and open Groups or Job Titles. Choose Job Titles, then click Add. Here you'll create the titles and initials associated with your timekeepers. Enter a clear job title and the initials that will represent that timekeeper in LEDES exports. Keep initials short and unique so there's no confusion across your team. When you're finished, click Save. That's it. You've enabled UTBMS codes, activated the ABA litigation and ABA bankruptcy sets, added your firm identifiers for LEDES, and set up timekeeper titles and initials. With these pieces in place, your team can code entries correctly, and your LEDES files will include the identifiers clients expect. If your client shares a billing guide, keep it handy and align your codes and IDs with their rules. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to support LEDES billing in Clio.